Welcome back, friends. Among the two methods available for computation of index numbers, one is unweighted and the second one is weighted. In this video, we are going to see the weighted average of price relatives method. Weighted index numbers alli ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು weighted aggregative method, ಎರಡನೇದು weighted average of price relatives method. ನಾವು ಎರಡನೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. weighted average of price relatives method. The difference is here we use weights. That weights can be quantities or percentages or any other units. And this method also we have to do under two different means. One is arithmetic mean and the other one is geometric mean. Simple average method ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ arithmetic mean method and geometric mean methods ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವೋ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ arithmetic mean and geometric mean ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. The formula for arithmetic mean is price index number is equals to summation WP by summation W. ಇಲ್ಲಿ W is nothing but weights of the commodity and P is price relative. Summation WP ಅಂದರೆ price relatives ಅನ್ನು weights ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. And the formula for weighted geometric index number is price index number is equals to antilog of summation W log P by summation W. This is also similar to the unweighted method ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ W ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಪಿ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಟಿಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮೇಷನ್ W ಲಾಗ್ ಪಿ ಬೈ ಸಮೇಷನ್ W ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ proceed with an example to work out these methods. We have a sum here. Calculate the price index number by weighted average of price relatives method using arithmetic mean. So bari arithmetic mean matra kelidare ee question alli. Let us do it. And what are all the data given to us? Commodities, they have given wheat, rice, garam and gram and pulses. And prices are given in two different years, 2005 and 2010. Naturally, you should take 2010 as a current year, that is P1, and 2005 old year you should take as base year, that is P0. And they have given weights, that weight should be taken as W. So let us proceed with solving this sum. Take the exact all the columns into your answers also. Like first column commodities from the question only. Second one base year price P0 anta question in the as it is ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Then the current year's price, take it as P1. In the next column you take the W given in the weights. As it is you have taken everything without any differences. Without any differences you have taken all the columns given in the question. Now the fifth column you are taking as P, that is price relative. Price relative equals to P1 by P0 into 100. Current year's price divided by base year's price into 100. That we have to calculate. Let us see how do we calculate that. Let us say for example wheat. Current year price is 20 divided by base year price 15 into 100. 20 divided by 15 into 100. You are getting 133.33. Next, for rice, current year price is 22 divided by 16 into 100. You should get 137.5. Then gram, current year price 8 rupees divided by base year price 5 rupees into 100. You should be getting 160. The last one pulses, 8 divided by 4 into 100 should be 200. Once you get all the price relatives, go to the last column, that is WP, weights into price relatives, that is weights multiplied by price relatives. So you have weight 4 for wheat and price relative 133.33. 4 into 133.33 you should be getting 533.32. And for rice 3 into 137.5, you should get 412.5. 2 into 160 for gram, that should be 320. And for pulses, 1 into 200, it should be 200 only. Now add the sum of WP, summation WP. If you add all these values, you should get 1465.82. Take the total of weights also here, summation W, that is 10. Now price index number by weighted average of price relatives under arithmetic mean. So the formula is price index number is equals to summation WP by summation W equals to summation WP, we have 1465.82 divided by summation W is 10. So you are getting 146.58 is the answer. So we have done only arithmetic mean here. We will proceed with another example where I will show you how to calculate geometric mean method also. Calculate weighted geometric mean price index number from the following data. Weighted geometric mean price index number. And look at the information given to us in the question. They have given items. 5 items are given. A, B, C, D, E items are given. They can give items, commodities or any other thing. Expenses in percentage. Third column, base year price, current year price, fourth column. So base year price you take it as P0, current year price P1, and that one more column given in the question, expenses in percentages, that should be taken as weight. I'll weights anta mention madilla sir. Yes, sometimes they will give percentages, weights, expenditure, weightage, any term they can use. You should take it as weights. So we have current year price, base year price and weights. Now let us proceed to solve geometric mean price index number weighted aggregative. Let's see the solution table. First column items as it is, you take A, B, C, D, E from the question. Then second column W, that is weights. They have given expenses in percentage. Adanilli now weights anta W anta heli tagobeku. 30, 15, 20, 10, 25 as it is from the question, and also add that also summation W, you can get 100. Next two columns, base year price and current year price. Again question alle kottirtare, adanna tagonbidi base year price, current year price. Next mundukke hodaga add one column for P, that is price relative. Calculate price relative by P1 by P0 into 100. So for item A, 90 divided by 100 into 100, you should get 90. Then for B, 20 by 20 into 100, again 100 you will get. For C, 60 divided by 70 into 100, you should get 85.7. Always it should be current year price divided by base year price into 100. P1 by P0 into 100. So for D, 15 divided by 20 into 100, you will get 75. And for the last commodity, 55 divided by 40 into 100, 137.5. 137.5, right. Now the next column is log P. P values again. Log values anna tagobeku by seeing the logarithm tables. Let us take the first number. You have 90. There is no decimal points, but 90 ide. So how many digits you have? 2 digits you have. So 2 digits means you have to take only one number, that is 90 ge 1 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So go to the log tables to find the value of 90. Log tables ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 90 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, log tables ಅಲ್ಲಿ, not here, yes, log tables 90, that should be 90 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 90 0 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ, 90 0 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 9542. that should be your log value, 9542. you can take 2 or you can leave. 9542 is the first one. Now 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ see you have 3 digits in 100. so 3 digits ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? you should take 2. 3 digits ಗೆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು 100ಗೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಿ 10 ಲಾಗ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಅಂಡರ್ 0. 10 ಅಂಡರ್ 0 ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಆಲ್ ಝೀರೋಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಝೀರೋಸ್. 2.0000. ಆ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಝೀರೋಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್. Next, proceed to the next one. You have 85.7. So before point, how many numbers you have? 2 numbers. Therefore, you have to take 1 point. Now, so 85.7, you should go to the log table. 85 under 7. 85 under 7. That is 85 under 7. If you see 9330. 9330. So you are getting 933. 1 ಆದಮೇಲೆ 933. 0 ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are taking 3 digits, therefore not a problem. Now next one is 75. You have 2 digits, so you should take 1 point. 2 digits ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 1 point. Then 75, you go to the log table. 75 under 0. 75 under 0, if you take 8751. 8751. 875. Okay. And the last one, 137.5. 137, you have 3 digits. 3 digits irodrinda you have to take 2 point. Now 137.5, that means 13th column 7th row plus mean difference of 5. 137.5, that is 13 illaitu. 137 next to 7 gogi 13 illi 7 illi, therefore this one, and mean difference 5. So 13 1367 plus 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 16. 1367 plus 16, you should be getting how much? That should be 138. So 2.138. After taking all the log values, the next column you are going to W log P. W log P is nothing but weights multiplied with log P. Weights multiplied with log P. So first one, 30 into 1.94, 1.954. If you multiply, you should be getting 58.626. Then second commodity B, 15 into 2, 15 into 2, that is 30. Then C, commodity C, you have 20 into 1.933, that is 38.66. Commodity D, weight 10 into 1.875, that is 18.751. And the last commodity 25 into 2.138, that should be 53.457. Clear? W log P ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ P ಗೆ, log P into W. Log P into W. weights ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ W log P. Now add the sum of that W log P, you will get 199.494. So if you are clear with the table part, go to the calculation of weighted geometric mean index number. The formula is anti-log of W log P by W. Anti-log of summation W log P by W. Now anti-log of summation W log P, here it is 199.494 divided by summation W, that is the total of the weights here is 100, so you are taking 100. If you divide 199.494, you are getting anti-log of 1.9949. So for this 1.9949, you have to get the answer in anti-log table. Now anti-log ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1.9949 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರಿ, ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 9949 ಗೋ ಟು ಆಂಟಿಲಾಗ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. 99th 0.99 ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಅಂಡರ್ 4. ಎಸ್ 99, see the last number here 99. Under 4 you have 9863, and under 9 mean difference you have 20. Last one ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್. ಸೊ 9863 plus 20, 9883. So your answer should be 9883. 9883 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ should be based on this number. ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಒನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್, 2 ಇದ್ದರೆ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್, 3 ಇದ್ದರೆ 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ವಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1.99 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 1ಗೆ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್, 98 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 98.83 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ weighted geometric price index number.